we're still on 5.1. Now we're number 5. So this is 5a, x plus 3, x minus 5. The question says, use the distributive property to find each binomial product. So that's what we've been doing for every question so far. So the first thing that we're going to do is expand this by multiplying x times x and x times negative 5. And we're going to do 3 times x and 3 times negative 5. So I'm going to write this out now. And it's going to be x times x plus x times negative 5 plus 3 times x and 3 times negative 5. There we go. And this is going to become x squared plus negative 5x plus 3x plus negative 15. So then we're going to simplify this further by making this x squared plus negative 2x minus 15. There we go. So because negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2, and then negative 15. So A. Done. Okay, so B, which is y plus 3 and y minus 4. So we're going to expand this. So by expanding it, we're going to do x times x times negative 4, 3 times x, and 3 times negative 4. So then I'm going to write this out. It's going to be what I said, x times x plus x times, I think it's a y. Oh, bad writing. Y times y plus y times negative 4 plus 3 times x, or y, plus 3 times negative 4. Hold on. Okay, so I sort of worked it out. I think my pad's kind of broken a bit. But, I wrote it out. It's y squared plus negative 4y plus 3y plus negative 12. So then I could simplify this by putting these two together. So it's going to be y squared plus 12. There. And that's B. Okay, so I don't know what I missed. I don't think I recorded it. But it's C minus 2 and C plus 4. So I just wrote out what I've been doing so far. And what I did was C times C, C times 4, negative 2 times C, and negative 2 times 4. And then I expanded this, and I began simplifying it, and then I simplified it further. So there's always like 1, 2, 3 steps that I always take. Ooh, sir, you always do that. Okay, so the answer, it's C minus 2 and C plus 4. The final answer is C squared plus negative 2C minus 8. Hold on. Yeah, done. Okay, so D, it's W minus 4 and W plus 2. So what I'm going to do is going to expand this by multiplying W times W, W times 2, negative 4 times W, and negative 4 times 2. So now I'm going to write out the expanded form, And then after I do that, I'm going to simplify it like we've been doing in the last 30 questions. So it's going to be W times W plus W times 2 plus negative 4 times W plus negative 4 times 2. Okay, so then we're going to simplify this expanded form and make it W squared plus 2W plus negative 4W plus negative 8. And then we're going to simplify this further by putting these two together. And it's going to become W squared plus negative 2W plus just negative 8. There. And that's our final answer. Right. Oh, come on. I got this, I got this, I got this. There we go. Done. Alright. E. M plus 7, M minus 1. Let's do this. Magic pen. M times M, M times negative 1. 7 times M. 7 times negative 1. Done. Expand. M times M plus M times negative 1 plus 7 times M plus 7 times negative 1. Done that. Simplify. M squared plus negative 1 M plus 7 M plus negative 7. Done. Simplify, adding these two bad boys together. Done. M squared plus 6 M minus 7. Done. Done. Okay, so question F is smiley face minus 9 and smiley face plus 3. So what we're going to do is expand this by doing smiley face times smiley face times 3, negative 9 times smiley face, and negative 9 times 3. So I'm going to write this out. Oh god, this is going to be really hard with smiley face. Okay, I'm going to pause it. Okay, so I wrote this out. So expanded, it's smiley face times smiley face plus smiley face times 3 plus negative 9 times smiley face plus negative 9 times 3. So simplified, this is going to be smiley face squared plus 3 smiley face plus negative 9 smiley face. That's not a 9 at all. Negative 9 smiley face plus negative 27. So we could simplify this further by adding these two again. And by doing that, it's going to become, oh man, smiley face squared plus, actually, no, not plus, minus 6 smiley face minus 27. Yay! Never using smiley faces again. There. Okay, G, x plus 7y, x minus 8y. So, we're going to expand that. X times x. X times negative 8y, 7y times x. 7y times negative 8y. So, expand that, and it's going to be x times x plus x times negative, oh god, negative 8y plus 7y 7y, where was it, times x plus 7y times negative 8y. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I simplified this a bit, and what we're going to do is add these two together. So then, fully simplified, it's going to be x squared plus 1yx plus negative 56 y squared. Because you square that, because over here it's see, it's 2 y's. So when there's 2 y's, you square it, and you add these two numbers together, negative 8 and 7, which becomes 1. So, and then yx, because it's yx on both sides, but you don't square that. Don't square it. Okay, last question of 5.1. 8 plus 6b and 8 minus 10b. So we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing this entire time. A times A times negative 10b, 6b times A, 6b times negative 10b. Writing this out, it's going to be A times A plus A times negative 10b plus 6b times A plus 6b times negative 10b. Okay, simplifying that. Oh god, my pen has finally died. Oh no. A squared plus negative 4ab plus negative 6d b squared. Done. What I did here was a squared, simplified that by a, and then a and negative 10 becomes negative 10 ab, and this one 6, it becomes 6ab, so negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4ab. Then here 6b times negative 10b is negative 60, and then you square that. So then for these two you add them, which I did. Done! Done! That's not a circle, that's a D. Done!